Updating your payout information on SimpleLegal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current and accurate. Step 1. Login. Access your SimpleLegal account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select payout information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled payout information or payment details. Click on this option to proceed to your payout settings. Step 4. Update your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout information, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to save your changes and confirm that your payout information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payout information current on SimpleLegal. Regularly checking and updating your details ensures smooth transactions and timely payments.